Yes, today 8th D ITICS 1st July. So close your eyes for silent prayer. Pray that God has thank God for this wonderful day and wonderful opportunity to study. Close your eyes for a few seconds and be prepare yourself. Keep your mind calm and ask God's blessings for a few seconds. Yes. Now you can open your eyes. We will start the lesson. We'll continue the lesson linear equation. Second exercise, linear equation. Second exercise, 14 sum. Can you?
14 sum.
Yeah, 14 sum. Can anyone read? One
Ma'am,
of
can I read,
ma'am? Gokul, ma'am.
Gokul.
Vishnupriya,
Gokul will
ma'am.
read. Gokul will read. Others, please mute. Okay, mute your system, children. Otherwise, others it will be disturbance. Even in recording, your this will come. Disturbance will come. Okay, thank you. Now Gokul read.
Page number 28, exercise 2.2, 14th one.
Very good. Yes.
Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank.
Okay, cashier in the bank. Some of your parents are
Yes, ma'am.
cashiers, like Nikita's parent, like that. Okay.
She has currency notes of denominations rupees
Denomination means 100 rupees note, 200 rupees note. That denomination. See, Modi, Prime Minister Modi has cancelled some denominations long as a few years back, and again newly they have done. That is only denomination. Denomination means no need 50 rupees only, like that they will tell us sometime. No need 2 rupees. 2 rupees note is like that they cancel. No, that is denomination. Okay.
rupees 100 and 50 and 10 respectively. The ratio of the number of these notes is 235.
Rupees 100 and rupees 50 and
50,
10.
10.
Yes.
The ratio of the number of these notes is 2, 3 and 5.
Okay. So the number of the notes. Yeah.
The total cash with Lakshmi is 4 lakhs. 4 lakhs. How many notes of each denominations does she have?
Total is 4 lakhs. 4 lakhs means how many zeros? 5 zeros. Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
4 lakhs rupees is having. Okay. And first you should start with consider the who's entering now. We'll allow them to enter. Sham, try to come early to the class. Okay. Next time, don't make it late. Now, consider the number of notes. Consider the number of notes you should take. Consider the number of notes is equal to X. Consider the number of notes is equal to X. Consider the number of notes is equal to X. Now, we have 2X, 3X, 5X. So, there are two, that means 2 into X, 3 into X, 5 into X. So, add all that. 2X plus, according to the question, 2X plus 3X plus 5X, this adding all that will give you 4 lakh. Will give you 4 lakh. So, if you add all that, what you will get? 2X, 3X, 2X, 3X, 5X. But now, okay, you need to add that, and X is 1000. Okay, you need to add. You will not. You have to add with. Listen carefully. What you should do is number of notes. Actually, total cost is equal to total cost is equal to number of notes plus number of notes into number of denomination. Number of notes into number of denomination. So suppose the number of notes is X, the denomination is 100, and then that means this board is not cooperating. This means here this 2X should be multiplied with 100. Okay, this 3X should be multiplied with 50. This 5X should be multiplied with 10. You understood? So that is what important. So number of notes and number of denomination you should multiply. Total cost, this is important, children. My handwriting is very bad. Please bear with me. This whiteboard I'm not used to it still. So the number of notes into number of denomination. So 2x will become 200x. 3x will become
300x.
no, this is 50
300.
rupees note.
150x.
This is 50 rupees note. So 50 into
150x.
3. 50 into 3 how much?
150.
150.
150.
Very good.
150x.
Very good. Very good. One of you. 5x into Alden.
One
10 rupees. 10 rupees
10
means
rupees.
what will come, Alden?
50, ma'am.
50. Good. So like this
50x.
we should write. Okay. So because we'll multiply this number of denomination with this x. So this is 100 rupees. This is 50 rupees. This is 10 rupees. So we'll multiply that and get. So we get 400 here. Correct. When I add, I get 400. 400 is equal to 4 lakh. 400x is equal to 4 lakh. That means what is x? What I should do, Alden?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
we should divide.
4 lakh divided by
4
400, ma'am.
lakh divided by 400.
4 lakh divided.
So 0, 0 cancel. So 4 table it cancel and it will become 1000. So x is equal to 1000. Now tell me how many 100 rupees notes are there? So there are 1,100 rupees notes are there. So total how much? 1000 into 2. So 100 rupees notes, 100 rupees notes. There are how many 100 rupees notes are there? There how many?
1000.
2x.
1000.
2x. So 2
2x.
into 1000. 2 into 1000 how much? 2000 100 rupees notes are there. This is denomination. This 2000 is a denomination. Okay. 2000 notes are there in 100 rupees denomination. You should write that sentence. Okay. Same way 3x. That means 50 rupees denomination how many are there? 50 rupees denomination 3 into x. So what is 3 into x?
1000.
3 into 1000, 3000. 3000 notes are there. 3000 notes are there. 3000 notes are there. How many? What denomination? 50 rupees denomination. In 50 rupees denomination, 3000 rupees they can count. Nowadays, we have counting machine. Cashiers have no problem. They can put it in the machine and they can count. Okay. Then another one is 10 rupees note. How many 10 rupees note are there?
1000.
1000 because
5,000.
that is 5x 5 into 1000. See
5,000.
10 rupees notes 10 rupees notes is 5x. So
5,000.
5000. Who said that? Wrong answer. Okay, that is okay. 5000. 5000 notes are there as a denomination 10 rupees. Like this you should write the final statement. So a little bit tricky. This is little bit of confusing, but it is easy. If you understand, it is easy. Every sum you practice 1 or 2 times. Don't just
Can you teach again, mom? I didn't understand.
I'll teach you again. I'll teach you again. The question says that this board is not at all cooperating. The question says that, see, question says that the cashier is having some note. Okay, rupees 100, rupees 50, rupees 10. Okay, rupees 100, rupees 50, and rupees 10. And how you need to put it in the fraction. They are telling 2 is to 3 is to 5. So 100 rupees in 2x, 50 rupees is 3x, and 10 rupees is 5x. So what you are doing is actually it is 2x, 3x, 5x. Okay. This total will become 4 lakhs, they are saying. But this is 100 rupees, this is 50 rupees, this is 10 rupees. So total cost is nothing but multiply this. How much? This will be multiply with this with 100 rupees. Then only the total number will come. Total cost is nothing but number of denomination, how much the denomination carries into number of notes. So according to that, you have to multiply this 200x. You should multiply these two. You will get 150x and you will get 50x. Okay. Then 4 lakh. Then you add this. You will get 400x. 400x is equal to 4 lakh will come. So x is equal to 1000 will come. After that, the meaning is this 2 into 1000, 2000. 2000 is to 3000 like that. This is not the full amount. This is only the number of notes. Only 1000 notes are there. Year 1000, year 1000, year 3000, year 2 into 1000, 2000 notes are there. 3 into 1000, 3000 notes are there. So totally 10 10,000 notes are there, but we don't know which are all the notes, what type of notes it is. Denomination we don't know. So only 100 rupees notes we calculate separately. 100 rupees notes 2,000 are there. 50 rupees notes 3,000 are there. 10 rupees notes 5 into 1,000, 5,000 are there. Like that we are writing in conclusion. Okay. So we can see, you can go back the recorded session and see again and read again. Do the sum 3 times. 1 or 2 times you try, 3 times you try, so that if the sum come different number also you will able to answer. Concept you understand. Don't just mug up the sum. Concept you understand, it's easy. Now exercise 2.3 first sum. Also we will start exercise 2.3 first sum. Someone read page number 30 first sum.
Ma'am, Priyanka.
Yes, read. Solve the following quickly. Keep your book ready.
Solve the following equation.
Very good. Solve the following equation and
Check your
check your
result.
results. Solve and check. Question is solve and check. Question is solve. Someone is coming now. See, Shiva, you have to be little early to the class. If you are next time, I will not allow you. See, solve and check. Listen carefully. 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. Solve and check. So solving is easy. We have learned. Do it again. So solving is same procedure. 3x, bring this 2x this side. It will become minus 2x. Plus will become minus. Minus will become plus. Multiplication will become division. Division will become multiplication. Even though I am repeating this again and again, it is very important concept. So don't feel bored that Gina must keep repeating this, but it's very important. Plus will become minus. So 3x minus 2x will become 3x minus 2x 1x. Very good. 3x and 2x
X.
will become 1x. This is not going. So 1x is equal to this 0. I have to 1x is equal to 18. So 18 is the answer. Now go to checking, because they are telling you to check. To check. So checking will be somewhere it is running. Okay, checking. To check. To check x is equal to how much we got x value? We got x value 18, right? To check in this LHS you should put. While checking, what you should do? For checking, what you should do, children? LHS, RHS.
LHS.
LHS is what? 3x. 3x is what? 3 into 18. 3 into 18. 6. 3 8s are 3 into 18. How much? Quickly.
Ma'am, 54.
54. After I write, you are saying. Now RHS. Tell me for RHS faster. 2x plus 18. So 2 into 18.
36.
36. Very good. Plus 18. Plus 18. What is the answer? 36 plus 18. How much?
54.
54. Good. So 54 and 54 is same. So LHS is equal to RHS. You should write like this to check. Hence it is verified. Hence it is verified. You should write every sum in that exercise 3, Noma. You should write hence it is verified. Okay. Now I'll do one more sum. Second sum I'll do. Now second sum. Second sum, one of you dictate. Exercise 2.
5t minus 3
5 minus 3
is equal to 3t.
Very good. Tanmaya. Okay.
Priyanka.
Good. I wanted to identify your voice. So good. I will try. Now 5t, this plus 3t will become minus 3t. Okay. And minus 5 don't change, ma. Some children are changing in the right hand side. When you bring it to left hand side, after the equal sign, only sign will change. Otherwise, sign will not change. Okay. So keep the minus 5 as it is and only bring this minus 3. That will become plus 3. Okay. That type of mistake don't do. Now what will come in left hand side, Priyanka? Parinita,
Ma'am?
answer the question. 5t minus 3t is become how long? 2t. Minus 5
Minus
plus 3.
2.
Minus 5 plus 3.
Minus 2.
Very good. Minus 2. T is equal to minus 2. This multiplication will become division 2. So our answer will become
-1.
Minus 1. Very good. Who answered that? One boy answering. Who's that? Tanush.
Karan sir.
Karan Saya. Very good, Karan Sai. So T is equal to -1. Now to check. To check you should put. After that you should put to check. Check T is equal to -1. So LHS. Put LHS. Okay. LHS is 5T minus 3. Put LHS RHS like how I am teaching. I want the step like that. On your own, don't write in 2 sentences. Somewhere in guide you see and don't write. I can easily identify. I will check your homework. If I am in middle randomly I will check. So please be careful, and my procedure I want you to follow. I am very, don't think Gina ma'am is very lenient. In mathematics, I am very strict. I will not make you do any mistake in mathematics. 8th standard you should study well so that in 10th standard you can score full marks. Now also you should try for full marks. So 5 into -1, -5. -5 minus 3, what is the answer? What is the answer, current side?
-8.
-8. That's all. That's all. Only current side should answer. Now next.
-8.
Next Sham will answer. RHS. RHS, what I should put RHS? Sham. 3T. Keep your book with you. 3T. Keep your textbook with you. 3T minus 5. So will we substitute 3 into -1 -5. So what is my next step? Sham. Others mute. Sham, quickly. Sham is not there. Okay, Shiva.
-3.
-3. -5. Now what is answer? What is answer?
-8.
Okay, -8. So LHS is
-8,
equal to
ma'am.
RHS. So what you should do at the last step? What should I write? What should I write last step?
LHS equal to
LHS equal to RHS. Hence it is verified is very, very, very important. LHS equal to RHS. Hence it is verified. Please write down like this and complete whenever you are completing. That's all. The homework I will give you. The homework is 7 sums is homework. Okay. In this exercise, the previous exercise 2.2, 13, 15 and 16, 3 sums. Previous exercise 3 sums, and this exercise 2.3, 3, 4.
13 sum is over, ma'am. 13 over.
13 is over. Okay, cancel this. And you put here one sum. I want 7 sums. 7 sums homework. 7 is a complete number. So only. Okay. So do 7 sums homework. Thank you, children.